Hello everyone, we are with our NVDA stock. The prices have opened and $120 and have exceeded the level of 20,000 in Nasdaq friends. Together with this, when we look at the falling trend line in NVIDIA stock, it has broken the falling trend line, friends. You see what it did when it broke before. This is a fake move. Don't notice it. We will examine it with you. But it has previously stalled people here, even stalled them up to $130 above. Friends, we will see sharp declines with this. I don't think we will, friends, now. Due to this use fat interest rate cut process, I personally think that other stocks will rally. It seems like these lines will not be important. Our first target is $125. Our next resistance target will be between $131 and $135. I think time will show this if it supports below, friends. $115 and $110 are very important for us. In the short term, buy it anyway. In other words, the indicator is burnt. Friends, that's all I have to say. Goodbye, everyone.